I've started creating gratitudes in this journal. I know most of us are very grateful for what we have, but we hardly think about it and we hardly talk about it. In Indian culture, the days are designed in a way that when you get up, you should at least thank the God, pray, and get ahead with your work. But as the world is moving and modernized we are getting, we are forgetting that and are not able to do those rituals and practices, and because of that we are losing a sense of connect with our own self. I believe that these rituals were not just for connecting with the God, these were for connecting with yourself, for understanding what you have got, and for being grateful for what you already have. And that's where this comes in, because we usually try to do that but we end up not doing that. So that's why I am writing this down every morning. Whenever I start working, I write down my intentions for the day, what I want from the day, what I can do in the day, and what I'm grateful for, how I am grateful for what I have, and how that's going to impact my day to day. So this gives me a sense of calm and sense of being wherever I am. I hope you will try this too, because I know it might sound silly to a lot of people that writing doesn't help, but I have so much anxiety, or high functioning anxiety, that I can't even tell you how difficult it is for me to just sit at a place and do something. So this helps me a lot. Writing helps me a lot. I've seen people struggle a lot, and feeling that peace, moment of peace and calm, just because they sat down and wrote something. So do not just discard this because it sounds silly to you. Try, use it, and if it doesn't work, move on to something else. But at least try it. Do not give up on anything only because it sounds silly to you. Because sometimes we just judge a book by its cover, but sometimes it could be a great book inside and it can change your life. Thank you. Bye bye.